Bye, man. I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you, bro.
I'm gonna miss you, but it won't be the last time, man.
Definitely, bro. Thank you for seeing my country.
Thank you for everything,
Thank you
bro.
for coming here, for trusting me. I appreciate you. You're a very, very rare soul, bro. I just want to tell you that. An obsessed fella. I'm very obsessed with the success.
Thank you for showing me around, man.
Yeah.
No one could have done it like you did it.
Really,
I
thank you.
appreciate you, and I
Thank
think
you.
we're gonna be great friends. We
Thank
already
you.
are, bro.
Yes, bro.
We already are. It feels like we've known each other years.
Love you, bro.
It's only been away a week.
Definitely.
Love you, man.
Next time we're gonna see Las Vegas or Ghana or whatever it is. You know, let me know, Maddie.
Much love, bud.
Much love to you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Crazy week. Crazy
Thank you.
week.
Thank you for trusting me.
Bro, you're goated. Yeah,
I appreciate you.
My man. I'm gonna miss him too. Lovely, nice to meet you.
I'm gonna miss you.
Honestly, and I'm sure we will see many more times.
አዝኛለሁ። እነዚህ የሚገራርሙ ሰዎች ደክሞኛል ግን በጣም 7 ቀን ምንም አልተኛውም። ኦልሞስት አልተኛንም እኮ ነበር። ምንም አልተኛውም። አሁን ቤት ገብቼ ለጥ ነው የምለው። በጣም ደክሞኛል። ቻው። ቴንክ ዩ ስለተከታተላችሁ።